How you doing, Cali Crowd? So, it's been a while since I've done one of these vlog things, and that's because we did a thing. As I'm sure you can imagine, the wedding has taken quite a lot of my headspace, but we're on our way to Gatwick Airport, so join us for the ride. Okay, so it's a couple of days after we landed here in Antigua. That's where we are, and this place is stunning. We were sat on the plane for about 9 hours, so I'll be definitely getting a workout in. But before I get into that, I wanted to chat through my 2022 goals and how I'm going with them so far, considering we're about halfway through the year. I set out some pretty aggressive goals for 2022, and so far I've achieved 3 out of 4 of them. The tuck planche and a consistent 30-second handstand hold. But with the wedding, work, and life just generally, my fitness has basically spent the last 6 months in maintenance mode. But what a place to change and reset that. That coffee tastes like absolute arse. Anyway, giving yourself permission to take breaks from your fitness journey is actually part of a way of making your training sustainable over the long term. Hustle porn stars will have you believe that you need to work out, eat well, sleep 8 hours a day, make sure that you're getting a good career in, make sure that you're balancing your relationship with your friends, family, etc. all in one go. But the fact of the matter is that you will go through phases of life that will actually be way more accommodating to different phases of these aspects of life as time goes on. For example, over the time that my training has taken a hit, my time spent with friends has actually drastically gone up, which I'm extremely grateful for. There's absolutely no value in beating yourself up about it. Just embrace it when it happens. Make sure that you take time to take stock of what is important in your life and jump in when you can. I'll wrap up with the handstands today. This wind is getting too out of hand. I've taken a look at some of the videos of my handstands today. I'm having to really almost do handstand push-ups just to keep myself in a handstand, which is really taxing on my shoulders. A lot harder than I was intending to work today. Standing in this sea wind is actually proving to be a bit of a challenge, but training is actually about dealing with these sort of different environment changes. I'm not looking to really go hard here. I am on my honeymoon after all. I'm just gonna keep it a little bit chill. A couple of handstands, maybe a few press ups in a little bit. I'll probably wrap it up with some L-sits or something to that effect. I actually brought my gymnastics rings, but the only trees here to put them up on are palm trees. Pretty first world problem, I know, so don't cry for me. So it's the next day in the beautiful Caribbean with my lovely new wife, but look at that, look, that's unreal. So we're actually about to film a stretch routine, and we're just picking a point on the beach where we can do that. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Actually, I think by the point that this video goes out, that stretch routine will be live, so I'll link it down in the description below. My Mac decided to blow itself up while it was on holiday. So the only part of the vlog that didn't manage to make it was the end. So I'm refilming it right now. And I just wanted to wrap up by saying that I plan on getting back into my calisthenics goals now that I am back in the UK. You've got some really exciting stuff coming along. Once I've done a little bit of conditioning, I am going to start focusing on the front lever, as I know many of you have been really keen to see how I progress with that. I am so excited to start tackling that skill. It's something that I really wanted to learn ever since I got into calisthenics. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already. But crowd, I will see you in the next one. Peace. What do you want to say to the Cali crowd, Anna and Linda?
Hi guys.
Is that it?
No, what do you always say at the beginning? Hey Cali crowd.
Hey Cali crowd. No. And it's all my infographics. She doesn't know how I enter all my videos.
How you doing, Cali crowd?
Yeah.